Hey, you eat. Yes. No. This food is not. If you are not a Ghanaian and you eat this food, your belly will be big. Like you will die within 2 weeks.
Boy, you call me.
You are eating.
Oh, Joanne.
Do you want to die? Do you have a death wish?
Why? What's wrong?
You are not allowed to eat this man. I just been only. I mean, if you eat, you collapse. You collapse.
Let me eat.
And yeah, chini bibi. I don't know how to freak out to go from somebody baby I'm making. I say I like you a lot. I don't want you to die.
Well, so I won't die.
You will die. This food is for the gods. The gods of our land. I'm a Ghana. This food is for her, don't you? There's only him to see.
Nice.
What is nice?
The food.
Oh, come out. What's some cool? So come on. I'm going to decide. I don't know.